What is happening, everyone, and welcome back to Electro Drive News. The pace of innovation never slows, and this week is no exception. We're diving headfirst into a whirlwind of electrifying updates that are set to redefine the automotive landscape. From iconic revivals to market surges and surprising shifts, buckle up because you're about to get the inside track on what's moving the needle in the world of electric mobility. Get ready for the essential, the groundbreaking, and the downright thrilling. We've got the inside scoop on a beloved city car making a triumphant return, reimagined for the electric age. Get ready to be excited about what's coming next in the compact EV space. Then, we're looking at a massive rebound in electric vehicle deliveries across a major market, with several key players smashing their own records. Plus, we'll break down the latest sales figures from a global EV giant and explore the implications for the industry. Don't miss a single second of this action-packed episode. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on so you never miss an update. A city car icon reborn. The automotive world is buzzing with the confirmation that a beloved nameplate, synonymous with nimble urban driving, is set to make a spectacular return as a fully electric vehicle. Get ready for the ForTwo, slated for a late 2026 debut, which promises to reignite the two-seater format that defined its legendary predecessor. This isn't just a revival. It's a reimagining, blending cutting-edge EV technology with the core DNA that made the original ForTwo an urban mobility icon nearly 3 decades ago. The design, spearheaded by the renowned Mercedes-Benz design team, aims to introduce new, segment-defining technology into the A segment, a space Smart helped pioneer. Manufactured in China and currently in the final stages of design and development, the ForTwo is poised to inject a fresh dose of style and innovation into the compact EV market. Dirk Edelman, CEO of Smart Europe, highlighted this as a milestone moment, emphasizing that the two will shape a new era of individual urban automobility, particularly in iconic cities like Rome, London, and Paris. This strategic move benefits from the robust backing of major shareholders Mercedes-Benz and Geely, complemented by new investment and the successful market introduction of the Smart 5. The ForTwo is envisioned as a unique, authentic addition to the brand's all-electric lineup, complementing the existing 1, 3, and 5 models. This expansion caters to a diverse range of modern mobility needs, from compact city cars to premium SUVs, ensuring Smart remains relevant and desirable. The development, codenamed Project 2, signifies a new chapter for the brand, aiming to reinvent a classic of urban transportation. While technical specifications are still under wraps, expectations are high for significant advancements over the previous electric ForTwo, particularly concerning battery range and performance, potentially utilizing a new architecture distinct from the Geely-developed C platform used in models like the Volvo X30. The two is anticipated to offer a more premium, compact package compared to current A-segment offerings, positioning itself as a sophisticated alternative to quadricycles, but with the safety and performance of a full-fledged electric car. This announcement has sent ripples of excitement through the automotive community, eager to see how this iconic revival will perform. Now, let's shift gears and look at how the broader electric vehicle market is performing, with some incredible delivery numbers emerging from China. China's EV market surges back. Get ready for some electrifying news from the heart of the global EV market. China's electric vehicle manufacturers have staged a remarkable comeback in August, with deliveries rebounding significantly after a midsummer slump. This surge is largely attributed to the introduction of more wallet-friendly models and aggressive pricing strategies, sparking a renewed interest in electric mobility. BYD, the undisputed giant of China's EV sector, reported a robust 371,501 unit shipments in August, marking an impressive nearly 22% growth compared to the previous year. This sustained momentum underscores BYD's dominance and its ability to navigate a competitive landscape. But the revival isn't limited to just one player. Startups like NIO, Leapmotor, and Xpeng have also shattered their own delivery records, signaling a strong consumer appetite for their latest offerings. NIO, in particular, saw a significant boost, exceeding 31,305 shipments in August, a notable jump from its previous performance. A key driver for NIO's success was its sub-brand, Onvo, which achieved its first month of five-digit deliveries with 16,434 units, thanks to the launch of its L90 SUV. The positive reception for NIO's new Ease 8 SUV, now available for pre-order, further bolsters its future prospects. Leapmotor also celebrated an all-time high, delivering 57,066 units in August, an 88% year-over-year increase, largely propelled by the strong sales of its new B01 model and the buzz around a new color variant of its B10 model. This marks the largest sales jump for Leapmotor since March, demonstrating the effectiveness of its product strategy. Xpeng recorded its own monthly high with 37,709 deliveries in August, driven by the competitive pricing of its new P7 model. Even established players like Xiaomi maintained a strong delivery range, exceeding 30,000 units. However, not all manufacturers experienced the same level of growth. Geely-owned Zeekr saw a marginal increase, while Li Auto faced its third consecutive month of decline, despite launching a new model. Li Auto also found itself in the spotlight for a controversial marketing campaign involving a collision test, leading to an apology. Huawei-backed Harmony Intelligent Mobility Alliance also reported a slight dip in deliveries. Despite these mixed results, the overall trend for August paints a picture of a resurgent Chinese EV market, fueled by innovation, competitive pricing, and a growing consumer base ready to embrace electric transportation. The strong performance from many Chinese EV makers highlights the dynamic nature of this market. But what about established global players operating within it? Let's turn our attention to Tesla's August sales figures in China and see how the American EV giant is faring amidst this intense competition. Tesla's August sales dip in China amidst fierce competition. In the rapidly evolving landscape of China's electric vehicle market, Tesla has experienced a slight year-over-year dip in sales for August. Data released by the China Passenger Car Association reveals that the U.S. automaker's China-made EV sales fell by 4% compared to the same period last year. This slowdown comes as Tesla works to refresh its aging lineup in one of the world's most competitive automotive arenas. The market is characterized by aggressive pricing, rapid technological advancements, and a constant stream of new models from both domestic and international manufacturers, creating a challenging environment for any single player. However, looking at the month-on-month performance provides a more optimistic picture. Deliveries of Tesla's popular Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, manufactured at its Shanghai facility, and including exports to European and other international markets, saw a significant increase of 22.6% from July, reaching a total of 83,192 units in August. This surge indicates a healthy demand for Tesla's core products when viewed on a shorter timescale, suggesting that inventory adjustments or regional demand fluctuations might be playing a role in the annual comparison. The Shanghai plant remains a crucial hub for Tesla, not only serving the vast Chinese market, but also acting as a key export base. This performance occurs against the backdrop of strong competition, particularly from domestic giants like BYD, which, while extending its sales decline in its home market for the fourth consecutive month, still commands a significant market share. Furthermore, the emergence of new, aggressively priced models from startups like NIO, Leapmotor, and Xpeng has intensified the pressure on established players. These companies have recently reported record deliveries, bolstered by new product launches and competitive pricing strategies that resonate with Chinese consumers. The overall market trend in August showed a rebound, driven by these domestic manufacturers, making Tesla's slight year-on-year decrease a point of interest for industry observers. Analysts are closely watching how Tesla plans to counter these trends, whether through updated models, revised pricing, or enhanced marketing efforts to maintain its strong position in China. While Tesla navigates the competitive Chinese market, A different kind of strategic move is being made by another familiar name in the compact car segment. Let's dive into the exciting news about the return of an iconic city car, reimagined for the electric era. Smart confirms the iconic return of the ForTwo as an EV. The legendary Smart ForTwo, a car that practically defined compact urban mobility for a generation, is officially making a comeback. Smart has confirmed that the eagerly anticipated Smart 2 will debut in late 2026, bringing back the beloved two-seater format that captured hearts worldwide, now fully reimagined as a cutting-edge electric vehicle. This move marks a significant strategic shift for the brand, signaling a return to its roots in the A segment, a category Smart itself helped to establish nearly 3 decades ago. The Smart 2 is designed to be a super compact electric car, and it's one of 3 new EVs scheduled for launch by the marque over the next 3 years. This expansion is part of a broader plan to cater to diverse mobility needs, from city cars to premium SUVs, with the one compact SUV, its coupe SUV sibling the 3, and the upcoming 5C segment SUV already part of the refreshed lineup. The previous electric version of the city car, the ForTwo EQ, was discontinued in 2024, leaving a gap that the 2 is now poised to fill with significant advancements. Smart has stated that the new 2 will build on the heritage of the original ForTwo, aiming to evolve the core qualities that made it so special while incorporating cutting-edge EV technology previously unseen in its segment. The vehicle's development has progressed following a feasibility study codenamed Project 2, and it has been meticulously designed by the Mercedes-Benz design team. Early teaser images hint at a design that echoes the instantly recognizable silhouette of the original ForTwo, featuring an upright rear end, a large windscreen, and a characteristically short bonnet. While specific technical details remain under wraps, it's expected that the 2 will utilize a new architecture, potentially differing from the geely developed C platform that underpins models like the Volvo XC30. This suggests a dedicated platform for the compact city car, promising significant improvements over the 17.6 kWh battery and 99-mile range of the discontinued ForTwo EQ. Dirk Edelman, CEO of Smart Europe, emphasized the importance of Europe as a key market, stating that the 2 will shape a new era of individual urban automobility, especially in classic smart cities like Rome, London, and Paris. The A segment is currently populated by more budget-oriented, often 4-seat models like the Dacia Spring and Leapmotor T03. The Smart 2 is expected to offer a smaller, yet more premium and sophisticated package. Its dimensions are anticipated to be closer to quadricycles such as the Citroën Ami and Mobilize Duo. But crucially, it will offer the safety features, specifications, and powertrain of a full-fledged electric car, positioning it as a unique and desirable option for urban dwellers seeking style, efficiency, and a touch of premium. This exciting return of a compact icon signals a new direction for city driving and highlights a growing trend towards specialized electric vehicles. Now, let's quickly recap the major headlines we've covered today and give you the full call to action. So, we saw the legendary Smart ForTwo is making a comeback as an all-electric 2, set to redefine urban mobility. Chinese EV makers like BYD, NIO, and Xpeng have seen a massive rebound in August deliveries, driven by new, affordable models. Tesla's China sales saw a slight year-on-year dip in August, though month-on-month figures showed a strong increase. And Smart has confirmed the return of its iconic city car, the ForTwo, as a new EV, the Smart 2, due in late 2026. That's all the electrifying news for this week. If you found this update as exciting as we did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Electro Drive News for your daily dose of EV innovation, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out. Got thoughts on these stories? Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. And for more exclusive content and behind-the-scenes action, follow us on all our social media channels.